Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Kingo. Making fresh, healthy juice at home is one of the best ways to boost your everyday energy, look great, and maintain a wonderful lifestyle. Today we are looking at the best cold-pressed juicer. This powerful kitchen machine is designed to make your morning routine so much faster while giving you the most nutrient-packed drinks possible. Let's get started. When you look at the Yoid's cold-pressed juicer, you will see a sleek and modern design that looks beautiful on any kitchen counter. The absolute standout feature of this amazing machine is its extra-wide 5.5-inch feed chute. This chute is massive, meaning you can drop in whole fruits and vegetables without wasting your time on tedious pre-cutting. It saves you so much time during busy mornings and helps retain more vital nutrients in every single glass. The clever engineering behind the Yoid's brand focuses heavily on maximizing your yield, giving you up to 99% juice extraction. Whether you are juicing citrus fruits like lemons and oranges, or tough vegetables like celery, tomatoes, and carrots, you can be sure you get every last drop out of your fresh produce. This incredible performance comes from a slow masticating system that operates at 55 RPM with a strong 250 watts of power. It uses multi-stage compression and low-speed pressing to gently crush your favorite fruits. This slow process is incredibly important because it prevents oxidation and heat buildup, preserving the natural flavor and vital nutritional value, while reducing unwanted pulp and waste. You get pure juice that stays fresh for much longer. Putting the Yoid's cold-pressed juicer together is completely straightforward and user-friendly. It requires just a few simple steps and absolutely no tools, so even first-time users can set it up right away without any confusion. Cleaning up is usually the worst part of making drinks at home, but this device makes it completely effortless. It features a removable filter and a handy pulp outlet that you can easily rinse under the faucet or place right into your dishwasher, eliminating any annoying scrubbing. The design also features a stable, one-piece body that ensures the machine operates quietly and smoothly. You will not have to worry about loud vibrations shaking your counter or waking up your family early in the morning. Every single element of this juicer is built to give you a seamless, reliable, and highly enjoyable experience every single day. Staying healthy and fit has never been this simple, fast, and delicious. If you want to bring fresh, nutrient-rich juice into your daily routine without any hassle, this machine is an incredible investment for your home. Check the price link in the description to find the latest deals and pricing. Please like and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more awesome tech and kitchen product updates. Thank you so much for watching, enjoy your fresh drinks, and we will see you in the very next video.